Hey there. Feeling a little overwhelmed? I get it. Today, I'm walking you through a simple 5-minute yoga routine specially designed to ease anxiety. You don't need any fancy equipment, just yourself and a quiet space. Ready? Let's begin. First, find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Inhale through your nose. Hold for a moment. And exhale through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, feeling your body relax with each breath. Breathing is the foundation of calming the mind. Now, gently move into child's pose. Bring your knees wide, big toes touching, and sit your hips back towards your heels. Stretch your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Take a few deep breaths here. Feel the stretch in your back and the release of tension with every exhale. Next, transition into cat-cow pose. Come to all fours, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. On an inhale, arch your back and look up, allowing your belly to drop. This is cow pose. As you exhale, round your back, pulling your belly button towards your spine, and tuck your chin. This is cat pose. Repeat this flow for a few breaths, moving with the rhythm of your inhale and exhale. Now, let's move into downward facing dog. Tuck your toes under and lift your hips up towards the sky. Press your hands firmly into the mat and try to reach your heels down. It's okay if they don't touch the ground. Take a few deep breaths here, feeling the stretch in your legs and the length in your spine. Lastly, slowly come down to a seated position. Extend your legs out in front of you and fold forward, reaching for your toes or shins. This is seated forward bend. Take a few deep breaths, allowing the tension to melt away. Come back to a comfortable seated position. Place your hands on your knees with your palms facing up. Close your eyes and take a final deep breath in. Hold for a moment and exhale. You've just completed a 5-minute yoga routine to ease your anxiety. Remember, anytime you feel overwhelmed, you can come back to these simple poses. Thank you for joining me, and take care of yourself. Until next time, namaste.